Yeah, my name is James Sheffield, born and raised right here in sunny Tampa, Florida. We help people establish excellent credit, right? So if you have any clients that are suffering from credit issues, that need to get that boost in their credit score so that they can qualify, we can definitely help them get to that point. Just talking about how to get more leads, how to get more sales, not turning away your clients just due to maybe they even have a 450 credit score. Obviously that's not the ideal client, but we can work with them and get them to where they need to be so that they can go ahead and move forward and accomplish their goals of buying a house rather than getting turned away and getting denied. And again, at the same time, that is going to help you guys by allowing you to sell more homes, put more people in your pipeline, which is going to be a win-win for not only your clients but also for you. Very simply, instead of having to turn people away because of having trouble credit, now you have a solution to that problem, and what it's going to do is just add another tool to your tool belt. So now you are better equipped to service more people. Thank you so much for having me. Always a pleasure coming here. This place absolutely phenomenal. Love the atmosphere. So again, thank you so much.